So here we got this Bosch Lawnmower, and bless my dad, it took him a bit of time to figure out actually how to build and put together. It's not actually as hard as what it seemed because he's not a builder, so it took him some figuring out to do. But once it was all figured out and following the instructions, this took about 15 minutes, if that. And actually, overall, this looks really good. So here we're just unboxing everything inside, putting it together. We're not going to be testing it just yet in this video because we have rain outside, so we have to wait until the grass clears and completely dries, and then we're going to test it out. But I really do hope that it's going to be just as good as it actually looks, because it looks really good. It's also quite big and compactable, and the good thing about it is it's actually lightweight. Overall, so far so good. So we finally have a nice and dry day for grass cutting, and we took this Bosch machine out to test it out. And what can I say? I am beyond impressed with this machine in general. It has literally cut the grass in under 5 minutes. My whole garden was just beautifully cut. It doesn't take much effort. It's very lightweight, which is what I love and my dad loves as well. And overall, the design to put it together, everything about this lawnmower is fantastic. And look at this. I mean, it's not perfectly done. We are still working around the benches and around the swings, but overall, this really is a really good lawnmower, and it does exactly what it says. The power is fantastic on it. It cuts everything, nothing gets stuck, and it's just phenomenal.